Hello. Uh, so we're back with the ooh, that's my calculator. Classic unboxing view, the one that I actually used for the very first few videos. I think those two videos. So yeah, it's kind of a classic view, I guess, which is pretty cool. And I'm gonna close that light here so it doesn't really blow us all up. But we're gonna be unboxing something that's well, it's gonna be the final piece for the thing that I will hopefully release Tuesday next week. So let's go ahead here, and it's addressed to me. Ordered it online again, and let's get right into it, I guess. Really not doing myself a lot of favor here. Oh boy. Yep. I really shouldn't have put that down. But we have inside, yes, HDMI video capture. HDMI, you know, it's very legit when it just says that. The video capture can capture both HDMI video and HDMI audio, sending audio signals to computers, smartphones, previews, and stores. Suitable for high definition acquisition, teaching, recording, imaging, etc. Input resolution. So I believe this is HDMI 1.4 spec, but it's only can record up to 1080p 30, which wouldn't really be an issue for what I'm doing, because all my videos are like 30 FPS anyway. So yeah, let's open this up. Oh, that is not packaged nicely. The manual's just like thrown in the box, I guess. There's the English part of the manual at least, so you know, pretty cool. Mic capture book. Yeah, there are different kinds of these. I believe I have the very basic one that's USB 2.0. So yeah, that's interesting. Connecting. So yeah, we're actually gonna test this out in a little bit, but for now, we're gonna slowly prepare it while I take a look at this. So, oh wow, that is actually like much heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Like looking at the product page, which I'll show up right now, it actually like looks like kind of plastic crap, but it's actually like, here's a mic. I don't know, that sounds very aluminum-y, so cool, I guess. Alright, let's put this all out back. And I have with me a mini HDMI cable, because my camera, this one that I'm recording at right now, uses mini HDMI, and I want to capture it on my PC using OBS. So one moment please, we're gonna transition a little bit. So I started recording, and hi, I guess. So I now switch to the laptop here. That's my audio recording right there. I'm gonna plug it in without anything first, so let's see if what drivers it like comes up with. USB composite device. Okay, so we're gonna wait around for a bit, see if it grabs like some drivers here in OBS, and we're gonna like plug it in. One thing I will say is that this thing is like the USB of this thing does not inspire much confidence. One thing I didn't say in the while I was opening it up. Don't look at that. Hopefully there's like a driver in here already. You know what? I'm just gonna try and plug it in to my So one thing I will say is that I've not tried this out yet. This is quite literally a continuation, and I also don't know if like mini HDMI works already or not. Hopefully it does. VGA user facing, god damn it. USB video, does that work now? It does. Okay. Okay. So that is a thing. I need to, I think, resize that. Oh wow, I forgot about that. Sorry. So that's Magic Lantern. So, but yeah, it works. Oh wow, that's actually pretty cool. I don't know how to turn off Magic Lantern. God damn it. Yeah, so that's a problem. But that actually doesn't matter to me, because Hey, it works. So that is like, as you can see right here, I'm recording it to my PC instead of the camera itself. And I don't know, that's pretty cool, I guess. One thing I will say is that, I don't know if I can like configure it to become like just clear video. Actually, let me try and do that. Okay, I'm opening up. That's Magic Lantern, everyone. So I actually want to make like a quick guide with Magic Lantern because it's actually a pretty cool thing that I use a lot. So I don't know. Yeah, because my focus is dead. Thanks for watching this very weird unboxing. There's some dust in here. This will be like the final step for something that I'm really working on. And to show it to you actually, hold on. I don't know if I can show it properly. Oh. Uh-oh, it went down. So I have to figure that out still, how I can have like usable video and something like that. But one thing I will show you is a sneak peek onto what I'm doing. So I'm not gonna be showing the Premiere file that I'm editing on, but yeah, something like that. So don't save. So again, thanks so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Almost in like 5 days, I think. Bye.